Have you ever watched a butterfly and wondered where it came from? It's not born with those beautiful wings. Its journey is one of the most incredible transformations in nature. It all starts with a tiny egg. A female butterfly is very particular about where she lays her eggs. She looks for a special type of plant, called a host plant, that her future babies will be able to eat. Depending on the butterfly species, she might lay one egg by itself, or she might lay a whole cluster of them. These eggs are super small, sometimes the size of a pinhead, and they can be round, oval, or even ridged. They stick to the leaf with a special glue-like substance, waiting for the right time to hatch. After a few days or sometimes weeks, a tiny caterpillar chews its way out of the egg. This is the larva stage. The first thing it usually eats is its own eggshell, which is packed with nutrients. From that moment on, the caterpillar has one main job: to eat and grow. And I mean, it eats a lot. It munches on the leaves of its host plant day and night. Because it's growing so fast, its skin gets too tight. So, the caterpillar has to shed its skin, a process called molting. A caterpillar will molt several times, each time getting bigger and bigger. You might notice its colors and patterns changing with each molt as well. This stage can last for a few weeks to a month, and during this time, the caterpillar can grow up to 100 times its original size. It's basically an eating machine on legs. When the caterpillar is finally done growing, it knows it's time for the next big step. It finds a safe, hidden spot, maybe under a leaf or on a twig, and hangs upside down in a J shape. Then something amazing happens. It sheds its skin one last time, but this time, what's underneath isn't a bigger caterpillar. It's a chrysalis. This is the pupa stage. The chrysalis is like a protective casing. It might look like the caterpillar is just resting inside, but it's one of the busiest times of its life. Inside that smooth, hard shell, a complete reorganization is happening. The caterpillar's body is breaking down into a kind of soupy mixture and then rebuilding itself into a completely different creature. All the parts of the future butterfly, the wings, the long legs, the antennae, and the proboscis for sipping nectar are being formed. This process is called metamorphosis. The chrysalis stage can last anywhere from a week to several months, depending on the species and the weather. Some butterflies even spend the entire winter as a chrysalis, waiting for spring. As the time to emerge gets closer, you might be able to see the colors of the butterfly's wings through the chrysalis shell, which becomes more transparent. Then the moment of truth arrives. The chrysalis splits open, and a brand new butterfly begins to wiggle its way out. At first, it looks a bit strange. Its body is large, and its wings are wet, crumpled, and folded up. It can't fly just yet. The butterfly has to hang upside down for a while. It pumps a fluid called hemolymph from its body into the veins of its wings. This is like inflating them. Slowly but surely, the wings expand to their full size and shape. Then, the butterfly needs to let them dry and harden. This can take a couple of hours. During this time, it's very vulnerable to predators. Once its wings are dry and strong, the butterfly is finally ready for its first flight. It will take to the air, leaving its old life behind. Now, as an adult butterfly, its main goals are different. It no longer needs to eat leaves and grow. Instead, it flies from flower to flower, sipping sweet nectar for energy. Its most important job is to reproduce, to find a mate and start the whole amazing cycle all over again. So, from a tiny egg to a leaf-munching caterpillar, to a mysterious chrysalis, and finally to a beautiful, winged adult, the life of a butterfly is a true marvel of nature. It's a powerful reminder that change, no matter how dramatic, can lead to something truly wonderful. Next time you see a butterfly gracefully fluttering by, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. It's a story of survival, patience, and complete transformation. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey as fascinating as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories from the natural world. See you in the next video.